Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Maths Straight Lines exercise 10.2 question number 19. Let's see the question. Point R, H, K divides a line segment between the axis. Between the axis in the ratio 1:2, find the equation of the line. Here they have given between axis means it is on the x-axis and y-axis. So there is a point R which divides in the ratio 1:2. So we know the point of R and we know the ratio it is divided. Here it is x comma 0, right? We can, let me write it to be A. If the distance is A, so A comma 0. Here if the distance is B, then 0 comma B on y-axis. This you should understand the diagram, only then we can go ahead with the sum. Now we want to find the equation of this line. Equation of the line, we know that R is divided in the ratio, so we can directly go with the section formula to find the equation of the line. And also there is a hint of A comma 0 and 0 comma B. You can also take x and y. As it is the equation of a line, if we take x, there will be another confusion. For that reason, I am taking this to be A and this length to be B. Now, according to section formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So I am going to substitute the value of, let me take this to be A comma 0 and 0 comma B to be x1, y1, x2, y2. Now this becomes m and n are the ratios, and we know this is R is equal to the value. So for R we can substitute h comma k. Let us go with the sum. H comma k is equal to, instead of m we have m is to n as 1:2. So 1 into x2 is 0. So 1 into 0 will be 0 plus n is 2 into x1 is A by 1 plus 2 is 3, comma, the same way m into 1 into B plus 0 by 3. Now this becomes 2A by 3, comma, B by 3. We know this is equal to h comma k, so we can directly write this to be h and this to be k. So 2A by 3 is equal to h. Here B by 3 equal to k. Now A is equal to 3h. If this goes as a multiply. So 3h by 2 and B is equal to 3k. Now we have found the value of A and B. So now we know that on x-axis we have 3h by 2 comma 0. Here 0 comma, instead of B we can write 3k. Now we need to find the equation of this line. So equation of a line, 2 points we know. We can directly substitute the value, or other thing is, we know that A and B are nothing but the intercepts of the x-axis and the y-axis. So we can also form the intercept formula and write the value of A and B. So instead of A and B, we can also write the intercept formula, that is x by, that is quite easy than forming a 2 points equation, by 3h by 2 plus here y by 3k is equal to 1. Now this goes as a reciprocal, so and it becomes 2x by 3h plus y by 3k equal to 1. So we know that we need to take LCM to solve it. We know that 3 is common in both the things. So we can take 3 directly common outside. It will be better, for you will not be any confusion in it. So 2x by h plus y by k equal to 1. Now taking LCM, just cross multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. Bring 3 to this side. It becomes 2xk plus hy by kh equal to 3. If 3 goes to this side, it goes as a multiply. Bring kh also to that side. So 2xk plus hy equal to 3kh. You can leave the equation as it is or bring everything to one side. 2xk plus hy minus 3kh is equal to 0 is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.